Well, let me show you how to reset a password for your Tawtheeq account or the national authentication system. So after logging into this interface, you click here on reset password. So what we're going to do, we are going to reset our password. We cannot remember the password that we used. So as usual, the username, it is your Qatar ID. So I'm going to fill in my Qatar ID, then my phone number that is registered, and my Qatar ID. Then I click on I'm not a robot. Then I click on continue. It's loading the interface. So they're going to send me a verification code on my phone. So I'm going to use that verification code here to 733. Then I press continue. So from here, I have to now set a new password. These are the requirements. You should have minimum of length 6 characters, minimum digits should have 1, minimum lowercase character count 1. So let me put in my new password. So this is my new password. So for the cases whereby you have lost your password, you shouldn't worry. The steps I'm showing you here, they will help you very much to recover your password. So you have to make sure that the password matches. If you put in a wrong password, as you have seen, you won't be able to go to the next interface. So after putting in both the passwords, you click on continue. So when you click continue, it is loading. So if you get this message that your password successfully changed, still on your mobile you'll get a notification from the Tawtheeq showing that, dear Sharif, a new password to your account has been sent. So guys, that's how you're able to set a new password for your Tawtheeq account in case you have forgotten the old one. Thank you.